See that little gar right there? I'll pause this and see if I can hit him with the bow. Well, I missed him. Shot a little to the left. I believe it's something to do with this arrow because my rest is not this. That rest right there. That's not what. It's not ideal for this new arrow that I got. So I'm gonna show y'all here in a second. Got to pause the video again. I'm just gonna set it right here on the door. And it's raining, so I'm just gonna make this quick. I like this arrow set up because of that stopper right there. Keeps me from punching through the gar. And I know that's supposed to be at least in front of that, but this collar they use, that collar right there on the muzzy arrows, or muzzy slide locks, whatever they call them, I believe it hits that, and I might have to switch out to a little whisker style or something like that to keep using this arrow. But hopefully the stores around here get the parts I need and I can fix my bow with the proper one. But alrighty, this is Big Joe, Big Joe's Outdoors. Thanks for watching. Go check out my other gar hunting videos. They did better. We'll see y'all in the next video. Bye bye.